Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer. In my case it is located right here. Now tap on the more icon and then select blocked. And here you will find call block rules or message blocked rules, so just click here, and if you would like to block all incoming calls, just select it, and now you will not receive any call, actually, like you will block everything. You can also block just unknown numbers by tapping here, or you can block private or withheld numbers. Just mark it here, and once the indicator is active, it means that this particular option is on, so you will not receive phone calls from any private number now. And now let me show you how to block a contact, but at first let me create a new one. It can be Tonya. Tap on confirmation mark, and now if you would like to block this number, just tap on the more icon and then select block contact. And from now on you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. Then if you would like to remove it from your blacklist, just select more and tap on remove. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.